Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we got the full spoilers for the September Nomakenolife box. Now there is a total of 8 items in this box, and I want to credit Chinky Caramel. You know that said different by everybody, but I'm going to put her Instagram down below in my description box if you want to go check her out. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos, and sometimes I'll go off track and do something else that I'm interested in. You know how that goes, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. And now to read the first comment from my last video, which was my September theme for Yes Oh Yes box. It's the theme and the spoilers. So first comment, congratulations, Iris Ramirez. Ramirez, I think that's how you say that. Iris says, hello, see, finally I'm the first. I always watch your videos. God bless you. Well, thank you, Iris. I really appreciate you having your bell on and taking the time to comment on one of my videos. And I'm so glad to have you a part of my family, and I love you so much. Now stay tuned till the end when I read you the comment that I picked from that video. And if you yourself want to get a shout out, just leave a comment on this here video and you could be picked, or you could set your bell and be first comment. Now let's jump into these spoilers, y'all. So first we have the Etude House Nose Patch. Now this one's in green tea, and I'm not sure if there's going to be different variations of that. Guess we'll find out. And next is the Spring Eyelash Curler. Then next we have the Glamfox Fluorescent Lip Glow Lip Gloss. There's going to be 6 different designs, and they are mood changing, or they change with the temperature of your body, but they're all like pink shades. Then next we have the Yeon Rosy Lips. Now this is a lip cream, and it could be used for your cheeks or lips. There's going to be 3 different shades that you'll get one out of these 3 shades: Orange Honey, Lady Rose, or Terracotta. Next we have the Joteki 10-second morning sheets. Now there's 2 different kinds of these. You can get it in moisturizing or refreshing. Now there's 32 sheets in one pack. We have the Etude House Therapy Air Sheet Mask. Now, I believe there is 4 different ones. Now, I think I got a picture with 5 of them. I'm not sure, except for the Damask Rose or whatever that is. I know for sure that's one of the variants. The other 3, I'm not exactly sure, but there is 4 different variants for that. The next thing is the Crayon Touch Me Mascara. Now, there is going to be 3 different variants of that. The only one I've seen so far is in volume. Then the next spoiler is the Crayon Touch Me Mascara Top Coat. Now, that is what you put on top of your mascara, and I don't know what it does, but I sure would love to try it. Anyways, guys, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, you know the next month is coming up, and it's coming up pretty quick. So as soon as they start revealing spoilers, I will update you guys. And as always, Nomakenolife is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now to read the comment that I picked. Congratulations, Tally. I think is it Rear? I'm not exactly sure how to say that. I know I butchered that one. Tally says, you the best. Well, Tally, thank you so much. I think you're the best too, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I'm so glad to have you a part of my family, and I love you so much. Again, guys, if you want to get a shout out, leave a comment on this video. And as always, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift. So you better get on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then if you would, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't even pay that thumbs down button no attention. I mean, it quit working a long time ago. You know, YouTube's kind of slow at fixing stuff. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. You know, really it only just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then one more thing before you guys head out. If you would, go ahead and turn your bell on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss no spoilers. And again, my apologies on YouTube's behalf for having you do 20,000 different things. So you can say, hey, I like this channel and I want to be a part of it. But anyways, I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.